Hello everyone. In this session, let us understand the concept of linked list. In the structure of linked list, as we can see in the diagram, the elements are linked together. There is a link in between the elements. Every element has one previous and next pointer. The previous pointer points to the previous element of the list, and the next pointer points to the next element of the list. And the middle section is the actual data that is stored in the list element. So three things: previous, next, and the actual data, actual value. Now, unlike the arrays, linked list elements are not stored at the contiguous location. They are not adjacent to each other like we saw in the array. They have the specific index associated with them and the elements are adjacent to each other. But in this case, the elements are stored at the random locations, but they are linked with each other using these specific pointers. So if you want to reach to this particular element, then we start with the head of the list. Then from the head we go to the first element, second element. The address of one particular element is there with the previous element and the next element. The first element of the list is called as head. The previous pointer of head points to null because that's the first element. And the last element of the list is called as tail, and of course the next pointer points to null because there is no element after that. And this is actually a structure of doubly linked list. Doubly in the sense we have two links in between elements. There are two links. So this is the structure of linked list, and in the next session we will see how to use it.